best organic fertilizer using onion husks. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our gardening channel. Today, we have a fantastic topic to discuss: creating homemade organic fertilizer using onion husks. It's an excellent way to recycle kitchen waste and boost the health of your plants naturally. Before we dive into the process, let's talk about why homemade organic fertilizer is a great choice for your garden. It's cost-effective and environmentally friendly. It improves soil structure and water retention. It enhances nutrient availability for your plants. And it's free from harmful chemicals. The first step is collecting onion husks. You can save them from your everyday cooking. They're a valuable resource for your garden. To make our organic fertilizer, you'll need onion husks, water, a container for brewing. Here's how you can create this powerful fertilizer. Collect a good amount of onion husks. Grind them into a fine powder using a blender or mortar and pestle. Transfer the powder to a container. Add water to cover the powder completely. Stir well to create a thick slurry. Cover the container and let it sit for about a week. Once the mixture has fermented for a week, it's ready to use. Dilute it with water in a 1:10 ratio. 1 part fertilizer to 10 parts water, before applying it to your plants. Sharing tips. Here are some additional tips to make the most of your homemade organic onion husk fertilizer. Use it during the growing season, every 2 to 3 weeks. Water your plants before applying the fertilizer. Avoid using it on young seedlings, as it might be too strong. And there you have it, folks, an easy and sustainable way to create your homemade organic fertilizer using onion husks. Your plants will thank you for the nutrient boost. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with homemade fertilizers, please leave a comment below. Happy gardening, and we'll see you next time.